Holiday season equals family, food, and germs? Yeah, you heard that right. The more people in your home, the more germs spread. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how to actually keep your home germ-free without spending hours cleaning. Stick with me until the end for easy tips that will save you time and stress. If you want your home clean and safe for the holidays, focus on these key areas. These are the hot spots where germs live. And it's easier than you think to keep them under control. First up, high-touch surfaces. These are the first places germs land. Think doorknobs, light switches, and remote controls. Wipe them down daily. It takes 30 seconds. Disinfectant wipes or sprays work perfectly. 2. Kitchen equals germs, especially around the sink and food prep areas. Wipe down counters after every meal. Don't forget the faucet handles. Everyone touches them, and bacteria loves that. Stove knobs, also a germ magnet. Just give them a quick scrub after cooking. 3. Bathroom. The bathroom gets heavy traffic, and it's a breeding ground for germs. Focus on the toilet handle, faucet, and light switches. Sanitize these surfaces at least once a day. Phones, remotes, and devices. How many times a day do you touch your phone? 100? It's covered in germs. Same goes for your remote. Wipe them down with an alcohol-based cleaner. Takes 2 minutes, but keeps you safe. 5. Entryway. The entryway is your first line of defense. Wipe down the door handles when guests arrive, and give the mat a quick spray with a disinfectant. It catches dirt and germs before they get inside. 6. Floors. Floors, especially in high-traffic areas like the kitchen and hallway, can carry germs throughout your house. A quick vacuum every day takes 5 minutes, but makes a big difference. 7. Clean as you go. Here's the secret. Clean as you go. Spilled something? Wipe it up immediately. After you eat, clean the counter. This stops the mess from piling up and saves you hours later. You don't need to deep clean your whole house for hours. Just tackle these key spots daily and bam, you're done. Germs don't stand a chance. Your home stays clean, guests stay healthy, and you get more time to enjoy the holidays. So there you have it. No stress, no fuss, just smart, easy cleaning. Keep the germs away and focus on what matters most this holiday season. If you found these tips helpful, hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical tips on how to keep germs at bay. Stay clean, stay healthy, and enjoy the holidays.